Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another bake with me and we are making chocolate chip cookie bars. So first things you want to do is get a cup of unsalted butter and melt it. Then you want to add a cup of sugar, and then you want to add a cup of brown sugar. Light or dark, it doesn't really matter. I've used dark for this one. And then you want to stir it all up and make it nice and smooth. And then you want to add 2 eggs. So what I've done is I've put 2 eggs in a small bowl to separate it just in case I got a bit of shell so I could scoop it out. And then I just put the egg straight into the bowl and break up the eggs and mix it. Then you want to add 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then you want to stir and mix that all in. And then you want to add 3 cups of flour. No, you don't. You want to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then you want to add 3 cups of plain flour. And then you want to stir and mix it all together. It's to make the dough. And then you want to add 2 cups of chocolate chips. So I've just used 2 bags. I think they were 400 grams. Again, you could use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate chips, it doesn't matter, but I had used milk chocolate. And then you mix that all in, and then you want to transfer it to a pan lined with parchment paper or greaseproof paper. You want to try and spread it out as evenly as possible. And then you want to put it in the oven for about 25 minutes to half an hour. For 350, 175, 180. And then you want to cut it into bars once it's cooled. And this is the end result. I have to say, it was very yummy. And I gave it 2 thumbs up. Let me know down below if you are going to try this recipe. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, bye guys.